That's the gardener clearing the undergrowth, and there's this cat who's made a howl, has her kittens there making the kid. They don't like it, making a noise. That's the mother. The mom is asking the kitten to run. And the kitten is hiding somewhere behind or inside these bricks. Certainly doesn't like the gardener cleaning the undergrowth, right? Yeah, I can understand. That's the little one she's calling, her little baby. There. They're peeping out from that heap. Go, your mom is calling you. Go, baby. Mom is calling you. She's saying the gardener has taken away the camouflage and now you can be seen. So there you have no place to hide. So again, that's mom on top calling, warning her baby of predators like me, right?